Last couple of weeks, we've received loads and loads of emails, texts and tweets from worried employees and also their family members, all with the same concern. Should they still be at work, and who to raise it with if they are and if they feel unsafe? Well, Nick Freeman is a well-known lawyer. Mr. Freeman, a lot of people are saying we still have to go into work, but we don't feel safe enough. Can they refuse to go into work? I mean, they're scared to raise concerns in case they get into trouble.
Well, they must raise concerns. I mean, the law at the moment is you must stay at home unless you have a reasonable excuse. If you're going to work, you should work from home unless you have to attend work. If you have to attend work, your employer must ensure that you have a safe working environment. Is
it a legal obligation by employers to provide social distancing and sanitizer and so on?
Absolutely. He must ensure that everything is in place to make sure you're comfortable. And the sensible advice is to speak to your employer, and hopefully there won't be a standoff. Hopefully you'll sort something out between the two of you.
Some people are getting letters saying that they're being put into furlough. What money will they get? And does that mean that at the end of this, their job is guaranteed and safe?
Well, if you're furloughed, you receive up to a maximum of £2,500, which probably includes national insurance. That means your employment is safe during that period of time. That constitutes a maximum of 80% of your salary. It doesn't, however, preserve your future job entitlement at the end of that furlough period. So it's providing you with an income during the period, but afterwards, obviously, every employer will look at his business and decide whether or not you can continue as normal. He might say, look, I can't continue to pay you full time. It might be a reduced amount, or unfortunately, you may be made redundant. Whatever he does, he has to do it by the book.
Several this morning about a company allegedly sacking staff rather than being furloughed. Is that allowed? And isn't the government scheme designed to stop just that happening?
Well, yes, it is allowed. The employer obviously will look at his business, and if he's going to make redundancies, he's entitled to do that as long as he does it to the letter of the law. This government scheme is designed to prevent employers doing that. But of course, it may be that the business is in such a perilous state that redundancies are inevitable now, and they may be inevitable again after the furlough period has expired.
Very, very good advice. Mr. Freeman, good to talk to you tonight. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.